Ho ho ho! Christmas is here, and what is a better way to jumpstart the holidays than to receive some presents early? Coding Society now brings you a bang on event with me, the Web Dev Eve, which is a part of the Dev December. In less than 12 hours, we are getting into an awesome live stream. In this live stream, we are going to practically learn what exactly this LinkTree solves. What problem does it solve? What are all the different features of LinkTree? How LinkTree compares the free version and the pro version? What all the other similar services that LinkTree has? Oh, wait. Why don't we take all the list of features from LinkTree and why don't we create a premium ad-free LinkTree without any money? So this is our live stream about, and we will try to look into the basics of all the features like having a profile picture, description, basic linked list, social linked list, HTTPS, URL links, and quick and fast loading. We can use Lighthouse or something else for checking the speed. And not only that, we will go a bit further by going into the intermediate version. So what about icons in every linked list? And what about the subsections? How can we make multiple sections in the same link page? And again, this will be very, 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 very interesting for a lot of people. Let's use theming of linked list. And the final thing will be the advanced one. How can we integrate it with a custom domain? What exactly is a custom domain? And finally, how about we deploy the whole thing using GitHub pages, Netlify, and look at all the different things which can actually deploy the things, and how each of the services compare with each other. Not only that, we'll also look at the uptime, everything for free. Like, we are going to do everything for free on the premium stuff. Okay, so it's going to be a premium live stream tomorrow, and I hope everyone is ready. So meet you soon in 8 hours, and let's see how it goes. See ya.